How to download and install RedNote app on a device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. If you want to download and install RedNote app on a device, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find different navigation options. So on bottom right hand side you will find this search icon. So tap on it. And then you will see this page. So here on top of your screen you will find this search box. So tap on it again. Now simply type RedNote. So type it and then search for it. Now here on top of your screen you will find RedNote app. So simply open it and then you will see this page. So here on middle of your screen you will find this button install. So tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, RedNote app will be installed on your device. So wait for a few minutes before it successfully gets installed on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.